If you're experiencing high ping in Rocket League, it can significantly affect your gameplay. This guide will help you troubleshoot and potentially reduce your ping for a better gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Ideally, you should have a wired connection for the best performance. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any applications or programs running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or any other online activities that could interfere with your gaming connection. Step 3. Change server region. In Rocket League, go to the Settings menu and select the Gameplay tab. From there, change your server region to one that is closer to your physical location. This can help reduce latency and improve your ping. Step 4. Optimize network settings. Access your router settings and ensure the quality of Service OS is enabled. This feature prioritizes gaming traffic over other types of traffic, which can help lower your ping during gameplay. Step 5. Contact your internet service provider. If you've tried the above steps and are still experiencing high ping, reach out to your internet service provider ISP. They may be able to identify issues with your connection or offer solutions to improve your internet speed. By following these steps, you can work towards reducing your ping in Rocket League and enhancing your overall gaming experience. Good luck on the field.